Empower app review, usage experience. Links to Empower are in the description below. Empower is a personal finance and budgeting app designed to help users gain control over their spending, savings, and financial goals. It's perfect for anyone who wants to streamline their finances and make smarter decisions with their money, whether you're new to budgeting or an experienced user looking for a more user-friendly solution. The main feature of Empower is its ability to automatically track your spending by linking to your bank accounts and credit cards. It categorizes your transactions in real time so you can see exactly where your money is going. This makes it easy to stay on top of your spending habits without having to manually input data. Plus, the app gives you personalized insights and trends, helping you identify areas where you can cut back or save more. Another standout feature is the Smart Savings tool, which analyzes your income and spending patterns to automatically set aside small amounts of money for savings. This roundup feature helps you save without thinking about it, making it a great option for users who struggle to set money aside consistently. Empower also offers automated bill tracking and reminders, which ensures you never miss a payment. For users who want more control, Empower provides a goals feature that allows you to set specific financial targets, like saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund. The app will track your progress and provide suggestions on how to reach your goals faster. Empower also includes a credit score tracker, which allows you to monitor your credit score for free and see how it changes over time. This is a useful tool for anyone trying to improve their credit or stay on top of their financial health. In conclusion, Empower is an intuitive and powerful app that helps users stay on top of their finances without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're looking to save more, track your spending, or simply manage your bills, Empower offers a comprehensive solution. Check the link in the description to download Empower and take control of your financial future today.